Kiladan hado kasantli kisniang kibayap halamin kasnong kabahap Western Hills hauni punai baladem. Kaladan ru kajing suba ba kajing yap jengki kala bandai na kajing pangkesyo kisniang di swine fever. Kumta halor kani nakaliang kesorkar jela mardor kala palumi kisempul na kinriutli kisniang na katai kathani hi banwat nya shushu halor katai kajing yo pang jongki te kijingri.
Di Yamanta, pengoping lalek kat collection. The sample collection has been sent. Jadi sebuah Kanapara, hakabangi dang up antai kanika ke report. To ke report ngan parla ban oktoba naman mentang ila passage Delhi. They once the professional studied those report, how or when and then is it confirmed or not confirmed. Once the communication we receive from Delhi, from the Ministry of Veterinary, then I'll be able to tell you exactly. But of course, from the state government side, right now we are on the ground. So I've already instructed District Veterinary Officer West Jaintia Hills, and also the doctor posted in CNID Block Pangarim to be there 24/7, and also some sort of training has been already conducted in that locality, because that happens in the Lamin village. Swine fever. No, in fact, we have collected the sample up to 6 numbers from the same village. That village is known as Lamin. Village. We are already collected. That it happens right from last month only. I think about 15 Kasantali Giblaya.